Good morning, and in today's Medieval Monday, I finally got my hands on them. Yep, we're going to be looking at the Wargames Atlantic Agincourt Grand Battle Scale French Army. This box contains over 700 10mm figures. So let's get these seals off and let's have a look. Welcome back. So let's have a little look. So we get lots of bases, obviously, and these are double-sided, so you've got a recess on the top, and if you're that way inclined, got holes for magnets too. And then we get two different types of sprue. We've got the crossbowman, which we'll have a look at in a moment, and foot knights and cavalry. So let's have a look at the foot knights and cavalry first. So as you can see, we have a number of wounded with fallen knights and horses. Wonderful. And then we have the groups with weapons, mixed weapons. We have warhammers, axes, spears, two-handed swords, and then we get individuals with warhammers and axes, individual with spear, a couple of command teams, and more groups with the knights. Most of them we got obvious command. Then we've got lancers, hand weapons, which are predominantly warhammers with a couple of swords. All nice, clean castings, which we're getting to expect with most plastics these days. A little bit of webbing between some of the figures, which when it comes to prepping for painting I'll have a closer look at. And onto the crossbowman. So we've got groups of 2s and 3s, and most individuals, which would normally form the front rank on the Wargames Atlantic figures, have the pavises already sculpted on, and then we get 2s and 3s in the pavises, and again a couple of wounded. So all in all, an excellent little box set. It's going to be fun to paint these, over 700 figures. So I intend to use these for Epic Hail Caesar using the War of the Roses supplement for regular Hail Caesar, if that doesn't confuse you enough. So I'll be getting on to painting these soon and getting them on the table. So please subscribe to follow this project.